loves, welcome back for another video, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a fun little festive apartment tour. Felt like it would be fitting to start it right by the Christmas tree, and we will just go ahead and get into it. Gonna be honest with you guys, this is definitely a more of a real apartment tour. I cleaned up a little, but I'm also headed off to work after I'm filming this, so this is just how our apartment would normally look, and I just thought it'd be fun to share all of our decorations and everything festive in the apartment because I love this time of year so much, and this is definitely the most decorating that I've done so far. It's definitely not crazy or, you know, super extravagant because I am a young 20-something with a budget, but I still thought this would be really fun to share with you guys, maybe give you some inspiration for your own place. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so first of all, we're coming into our little entryway and we have our little dining area here. I went ahead and lit my little Bath & Body Works candle. This one is fresh balsam. It's that beautiful pine scent, so cozy. And then I also have this cute little tea light guy with Mickey Mouse on it, and he's dressed as Santa. So cute. Let's just ignore all of these things going on. We had a little holiday get together this weekend, so these are the leftovers of wine and cupcakes and all kinds of stuff that we've just been snacking on ever since. And then back behind the table, I have this little plant that I have been just growing and, you know, keeping for a long time. His name is Mr. Plant. I'm very proud that he's still alive after a couple of years. I have this little funny garden gnome guy that my last roommate had, and she kind of handed down some of her Christmas decorations that she didn't want to take with her to me, so he's just chilling. And then we also have this little snowflake plant marker thing that she gave us as well, so super cute and festive. And also, yes, those are totally pumpkins down there, but they're real pumpkins, and I want to see if I can find a way to use them, maybe cook with them. They haven't gone bad yet, so they're just kind of hanging out there waiting to be used. And then up here on the wall behind the kitchen table, we have this cute little holiday card holder. I want to say I got this at TJ Maxx last year maybe, but the best part is the little clips are reindeers, and they're so cute. I'm obsessed. So far I actually just have holiday cards from last year on it, to be honest, because I wanted it to not look all lonely by itself. So can we take a moment for this one? I'm obsessed with the Peanuts and Snoopy, and this is just so precious. Oh, love it. Moving on into the living room, we have the star of our show, the Christmas tree, but I will start with some little details. So here on the coffee table, we just have this cute little Santa Claus, and he actually dances if, you know, you put him in the sun. But since today's a rainy day, unfortunately I can't, you know, demonstrate that for you guys, but I can just kind of encourage him here. So he does a little Santa shimmy. It's very cute. Over here is our fireplace and mantle. This is definitely one of my favorite parts of the apartment in general. Come on, camera, you can do it. Focus. Yes, okay, so the stockings are from Target. I feel like a lot of people have these because they're so cute, and you can kind of get them personalized for the people in the place that you live, whether it's your family or your roommates or whatever. So we have 2 Ks over here, one for myself and one for my boyfriend Ken, and then my roommate Natasha, and we just kind of have an extra stocking to keep everything balanced. So I've said it's for her boyfriend because, you know, that makes sense. And then up on top, I just have a couple of cute little friends. Honestly, I don't know where basically any of these things are from. These snowmen came from my mom. She gave them to me growing up, and I used to decorate my room at home with them. And then these little bears, I actually want to say they're from Hallmark, but my mom had them for years and then just kind of handed them down to me. And then this cute little Christmas countdown is from my roommate Michelle that lived here before Natasha, so I'm not sure where she bought that. I wonder if there's a tag on the bottom. Yep, not really identifiable, so I apologize, but I'm sure you guys could find something similar at you know, at TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Marshall's. One of those places definitely has something similar, and I love it. It's so cute and festive, and I really like kind of walking the line between cute and chic for Christmas decorations. That's just kind of my vibe, so I feel like this balances that pretty well. I also really love this little "Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas" sign. This was also my roommate Michelle's, my previous roommate. I do love these little angels. My mom gave them to me, I think last year around Christmas, and they're just so pretty. I love them. Then moving over to our little TV stand, we just have a couple more cute little stuffed friends, a few more snowmen, and this little sleigh that they're sitting in. Again, the sleigh was my roommate Michelle's, and she left that behind. We always put the snowmen in here while we lived together, so she was like, I feel like you need to have this so you can continue the tradition. And then these little guys over here I've had since I was very little, but they're just little stuffed animals. And then I actually made this little like sledding s'more thing when I was probably in like, I don't know, elementary school, and it's held up pretty decently. So now I get to decorate with him in my own home. I also realized that I missed this beautiful little lantern. I'm not sure how well you guys can see it. I might actually bump down a little bit. There we go. So I have a candle going in there nice and cozy. I actually won this lantern at work, so again, I'm not sure where it's from, but it's so beautiful and I'm super into it. And last but not least, for the living room, we have the star of the show, our Christmas tree. I absolutely love it so much. It definitely has kind of more of that like traditional vibe, but that's definitely kind of the look that I want to go for. I appreciate the whole like chic modern thing. I'm gonna back up a little so you guys can get kind of the full effect. This tree is super tall. It's 7.5 feet, so definitely not a small Christmas tree by any means, but I love it so much. It's from Target, big surprise. And we just bought it this year because my roommate before had a Christmas tree, so I always kind of just shared decorations. And now I'm a big girl now, if you will, because I have my own tree. Here's one more little view of it, but we just have, you know, kind of a good mix of just like plain black and gold ornaments and then also more personal ones. A personal favorite of mine is this little Olaf right here. I love Frozen and pretty much everything Disney, but Frozen is one of my all-time favorite Disney movies, and Olaf is definitely a big reason why. So here's his little ornament, and most of these actually are from Target, just like everything else. There's just, you know, kind of a mix of ornaments as anyone would have, like some that were given to me by friends and family, and just a fun little mix. So I absolutely love our tree. It's been kind of a project this year. I didn't finish it until very recently, and if I'm being honest, there are still some ornaments back here that I have not put on yet. So, you know, just one day at a time, right? For our little kitchen area, I'm just going to move on into some fun little details. So first of all, I have this cute little Christmas mug full of candy canes. Love this. Feel like it's so like easy to kind of add a festive flair to any little corner by doing this. I mean, I feel like most of us have at least one Christmas mug. This one is massive. Like, here's my hand next to it. It's like insane. I know that I got this at Target, and I also got the candy canes at Target, so definitely a good spot if you need any decor or fun festive things, for sure. Then moving on into the kitchen, we just have a couple little touches. Ignore these not as cute dish towels, but then I also have this cute little like Christmas town. It has like the North Pole Express, a reindeer barn, Mrs. Claus's Bakery, just like a very cute little dish towel. And then I have this one that came with it that just has these beautiful little pom-poms on it. I feel like it's definitely like the kind of the modern Christmas vibe, and I'm very into it. Those were also from Target in the little dollar spot area, and I feel like they were totally worth it because they just kind of add a subtle little holiday flair, and they're useful at the same time, so that's really fun. Then last but not least, for the kitchen, we just have this little shelf that has my cast iron pans on it, and then on top I really like to do something kind of festive for the holidays. So Ken actually got this little tin right here this year. It had peppermint bark in it, and I was like, wow, this is so cute, we should use it as decor. So it's a little candy shop, and then over here is actually a little candle, but we've never burned it because, are you kidding? Look at this little bear, he's so cute. As we're leaving the kitchen, I realized I missed just a small little detail. So there were some nails on this wall from picture frames that my last roommate had hung there, so I just kind of used them. So I have this cute little reindeer bag thing. I want to say like some body lotion and like body wash or something came in this like a couple years ago. Whoops. Totally took it right off the wall, but I just thought this would be a fun little flair to add to this wall. And then we also have this little baby stocking, which I'm pretty sure is also from Target, so just a tiny bit more holiday flair for the living room. And then last but not least, moving into Ken and I's bedroom, we just have a couple little things, but I thought they'd be fun to share with you guys. So first of all, we have a cute little mistletoe up here. I just thought that would be a fun little touch to add because, we're a couple who lives in this room. Cute. So I just got that at a local farmer's market. It is actual mistletoe and it smells great. It's so cute. And then we have this little elf who's just chilling upside down on our door. My mom bought this for me back when I was in college, so I'm not sure where it was from, but probably like Marshalls or TJ Maxx if I had to guess. Moving into our room on my little bookshelf over here. Try to get a good angle so you guys can see it better. There's this little like reindeer plate, whatever you want to call it, and it's just so precious. I love it so much. I've also had this for several years, but my mom gave it to me, and I'm gonna see. So this is actually from Cracker Barrel, which I would not have expected, so that's fun. I doubt they still have it, but you probably could find something similar there if you wanted, and I love it so much. It's one of my favorite little like Christmas decor pieces. Back here I also have a little angel, which I usually just leave her out year round, but she is technically a Christmas angel, and she has these little like cutouts where you can have a candle in the back and kind of glow through, similar to the lantern in the living room, so I probably should try that at some point. And then here is our bed. It really has these lights on year round, but I still feel like they're festive and cozy for this time of year, so I thought it was worth mentioning. Definitely love it. Wish our bedding was a little more festive, but you know, we'll roll with it. And then up here on the wall next to our bed, I just have this cute little Hello Kitty stocking that I've also had for several years. I had a very long and like vibrant Hello Kitty phase in my like middle school, early teenage years. This is a kind of like remnant of that, and you know, we love Hello Kitty, we stan her, so we definitely have a little bit of Hello Kitty and Christmas flair in here. Last but not least, on our little TV stand, we have these cute little snowmen. They were a gift from one of my friends growing up, and I think she actually painted them herself, so not something that we necessarily could recreate, or I could link down below for you guys. I just think they're so cute, just chilling and adding a little bit of Christmas flair. All right guys, that was it for this little holiday apartment tour. I really hope you enjoyed it. I realized there was one last thing that I didn't mention, but it's already made an appearance in 2 of the videos of this series. So these little gingerbread Mickey and Minnie ears that I got at Disney when I was home for Thanksgiving, just so cute, and you know, it feels really fitting to close off this video, so totally just gonna slip them on really quick. All right, there we go. Now we have the true festive holiday flair. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little tour. I definitely don't think we have super extravagant or crazy decorations, but I absolutely love this time of year, as you can tell. So I thought this would be really fun to share with you guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you're new here. I'd absolutely love to have you stick around and join the Curly Hair Love fam. And as I've mentioned for every video that I've done in this little 12 Days of CHL series, I'm counting down to Christmas on my channel, and we're just doing tons of festive, holiday, and lifestyle videos. So if you guys want to stick around and see the rest of the series, then make sure to be subscribed. Also, leave me a comment down below and tell me something that you are most excited for this time of year, because I feel like there are so many fun traditions and a lot of us travel, and it's just such a fun time of year. So I'd love to hear from you guys and hear what you're most excited about, or something fun that you've done for the holidays. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and hanging out with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my video tomorrow. Bye.